This is Cuddles. He's a pleasant chap, isn't he? Cuddles is a microbe. That means he's microscopic and can only be seen through a microscope, just like his friends. And these are his friends. An oddly bunch of troublemakers, if I ever saw one. The last place you want to see these fellas hanging about is in your well water. They can find their way into your drinking water quite easily, leaving you very sick indeed. One way these microbes start their journey into your drinking glass is through a tiny crack in your septic tank. Like a prison break, they make their way into the surrounding earth and into the water table that your well draws from. Those sneaky little buggers. Once in your well, it's only a matter of time before someone in your family fancies a thirst-quenching glass of water. To learn more about how you can keep Cuddles and his band of creepy companions from making you ill, head over to Viqua.com for more information.